Welcome back to my channel Om Lifestyle and Decor. This is Seema and today I will show you how to prune and propagate your lucky bamboo. If your lucky bamboo is growing out of control, do not fear. You can prune it and bring it back down to size. I bought these two bamboo shoots 2 years back. Now they have grown bushier and healthier. So trimming is important for it to stay healthy. I need to remove the bamboo stalks from the original container. The roots look like a tangled up ball. I will gently tease them apart so that each stalk is separated with its roots largely intact. Now separate the new plants growing from the root. Cut the offshoots at its base along with the small roots grown on it, where it springs out of the parent stalk. If your leaves are yellowing, possibly you are giving the plant too much sun. Lucky bamboos prefer indirect but bright sunlight. Original plant is now looking leaner and cleaner. Curls are also more prominent now. For better look, I'll curl one of the cuttings around the two bamboo shoots and fix them with wires. Bamboo shoots can be curled by controlling the light that it receives. The process takes a long time and requires expertise. The technique involves exposing only one side of each stalk to light so that it starts to grow in that direction, and then periodically rotating the stalks. Now use the cuttings to grow more plants. Remove the bottom set of leaves from the offshoots. The bottom part of the offshoot will be sitting in water and you don't want the leaves to rot. Place the new cuttings in glass container with water, preferably use drinking water. You can place multiple cuttings together in the same container. Arrange them nicely along with the bright colored pebbles. Some of the new cuttings already have roots. From other cuttings also new roots will begin to grow, a process that should take around 30 days to complete. And now they are ready to be given as gifts. Lucky bamboo plants are said to bring good luck and fortune. That's all for today. Hope you find it useful. Do share your feedback. Thank you.